and I will be wearing a helmet. What is up, YouTube, and welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steven. That's sort of a new introduction, but if you guys are new, we have the F450, we got the Corvette, we got the Betsy Trans Am over there, we got the Bruce, which I'm sure by the title and the thumbnail you can tell we are gonna have some fun with the Bruce tonight. So, well, today. So just so you guys know, we are going to have to do our knivesdeal.com ad, and this piece is freaking killer. It looks pretty much like a grenade. Then you flip it open, it has your so you got obviously your spring assist blade, you have your seatbelt cutter on the back, and your window punch. Great pieces. Again, knivesdeal.com for 10% off. Use promo code SenateSteve, all one word, and you will get entered. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win this Jeep. I'll roll a little clip of us having some fun in the Jeep, and then we'll kick off today's video. Don't worry, guys, I'm going all right.
Wait a minute, we're laughing. How do we get
I don't know. Alrighty, guys, so this is obviously the Bruce project. Many of you have seen it on the channel already, and this is basically a K5 Blazer frame on 44-inch Super Swamper boggers. It is a 07 Honda Civic SI with an LS swap. So there's a 5.3 in there out of an 05 GMC truck that we used to have on the channel, but this is the Bruce. So today I've been kind of kicking it around. I have a boat up here that has literally been sitting up here. I listed it for sale. A couple people came and looked at it, but for some reason I just can't seem to sell it. So I decided, as you can tell by the thumbnail, why not have some fun with it and see if we can't jump it. Now we are going to pull it off of the trailer here because I can probably sell that trailer, even though I can't find the title for it anywhere, but I'll be able to sell the trailer. So we're just gonna run the boat over. I mean, it does need an engine. There's a bunch of, I think the lower unit needed something. I have no idea, but it's been sitting here for like 3 or 4 years, and I'm kind of done with it. I don't think I want to fix it. I think I'm just gonna want to have fun with it in a video, and you guys get to, you know, share it with me and have some fun. So let's get the boat off the trailer, and then we are gonna get full send right here. As you did see in my one video, if you didn't check it out, we got some major air. We are gonna jump that boat, and I guarantee we're not going to clear it, but we're going to have some fun trying. So let's get the boat off the trailer and laying right here. Well, if you guys did not know, the Bruce does come equipped with a ball here. So let's go ahead and get the trailer hooked up, and we'll go ahead and pull it out and get the boat actually off of the trailer. Like I said, we are going to hopefully salvage the trailer, so let's get it hooked up to the Bruce here. I mean, just grab a screwdriver. All right, so if you guys didn't know, the Bruce is actually a good tow rig. So we actually brought the F450 up here. I'm sure you might have heard it sitting up here idling, but we got the F450 up here because now we're gonna go ahead and yank the boat into our designated crunch zone. So let me get the F450 hooked up, and we're gonna put it right here. And like I said, full send, guys. We're gonna come down here probably 10 or 15 mile an hour. I should be able to clear this boat. What the heck, at least we're gonna have some fun trying. Let's get the boat yanked off. Well, with 44s, it's a little hard to turn, especially in like tight spots like this. So we're just gonna use the F450 here to pull the trailer out of the way, and then we're gonna get Bruce ready for its main voyage. Like, this is insane. This might be sketchy, guys, and I will be wearing a helmet. Be sketchy, guys, and I will be wearing a helmet and a seatbelt. I'm freaking pumped. Let's get the trailer off of Bruce. We're out of fuel. We got a freaking fuel leak in the Bruce. I really got to get it fixed. I bet you this whole thing back here is just saturated in fuel. We got to get it fixed. All right, let's go get some fuel. As you can tell, it's empty. How often does something like that happen? 1455 gallons. We had to go come out here and get some fuel for Bruce, and I need to cut the grass too. So Bruce, we're coming back for you, buddy. I'm sorry I ran you out of gas. I guess the gas gauge isn't working too accurate right now, and I don't know. It should be, but I guess it's not. All right, Bruce, we're coming. All right, so as you do know, we did have a fuel leak in this line, and it was actually causing it to leak down and all that. So we're gonna go ahead and just delete this whole line and hook the fuel rail here, or fuel line here, straight up to the head unit up there. So let's just get it all swapped over, and we won't have a fuel leak anymore. We're fixing things here, guys. See, slow process. Let's have some fun. Now, a little bit of gas. Don't push it hard, but a little bit of gas. Yeah, just be ready to hit the brake. That way you don't hit the house or the little bit, just a little bit. You don't have to do a lot. Little more. All right. Back up a little. 11 years old. Driving a bigger truck than half of you ever will. A little more. Stop. Put it in park. She had to adjust the boat for us, guys. All right, we're getting ready to go full send. Let's get the F450 unhooked, and we're going full send. All right, guys. Well, I don't know why the door seal's coming off. Probably not a good omen, but as you do know, oh, that's great. There's a cut in my seatbelt. I don't ever wear my seatbelt, so we're gonna wear a seatbelt for this one. Oh gosh. All right. Relaxes. Wish us luck. Still? No, that is park. I gotta see that in slow-mo. That was insane and probably the scariest thing I've ever done. I'm shaking, guys. And I'm sending Steve. I don't ever get nervous. Woo! All right, let's go see what happens. Oh my gosh. That was absolutely epic, guys. I'm not gonna lie. That was probably one of the most nerve-wracking things I've ever done. I was nervous from the start to the end. But oh my God, the Bruce handled it way better than I thought. The boat was practically untouched, and I think you could actually still sail this thing. The only thing it did was rip the trim off, and it kind of scuffed where the tires were spinning, but it didn't touch anything on the top of the boat. Completely missed everything on here. It ripped the seat out. Who cares? Did not even damage the side of the boat. Holy heck, Sea-Doo. You guys built a heck of a freaking machine here. It probably won't go out of gear because we're probably sitting on the prop. Yeah, we're sitting on the prop, so it won't go in and out of gear probably for that reason. But the steering wheel's still here. Oh, wide open throttle, that's why. Sorry guys, I forgot. I'm a little nervous. As you do know, I just freaking jumped the Bruce. Now, I didn't look under this thing or over this thing or anything, but as you can tell, the trunk, I forgot to secure. I completely forgot about that, but we did fix the fuel line, so we don't have that. The brakes actually worked fantastic. Oh, the tire suffered a little bit of a gouge. but it's not down to cords or anything. But other than that, I mean, it did kind of push her back on. Front bumper, non-existent at this point. Battery is obviously pushed into the oh yeah, we're gonna need a battery. The battery's leaking, but I mean, I had fun. I would do that again in a heartbeat, though. Exactly 100% how this truck is set up. So one thing that we did learn here is, I think it impacted this corner. Not a big deal. It did pull the rear bumper out, but we can push that back up and put it into place if we need to. But guys, this is just a truck to have fun with. Like, this is literally my four-wheeler. The kids have four-wheelers, mine's broken. This is basically my four-wheel drive, my four-wheeler, and I am freaking loving it. So I'm gonna go in here and actually watch the footage, because that was insane, and I think I need some time to calm down. I'm not gonna lie, that was nerve-wracking, but it stopped. I mean, my tools fell out. I did have a bunch of tools still in it. You can tell there's still wrenches over there, but man, I had a blast, guys. We're gonna do that again. We're definitely gonna do that again. Not today. We will get Vince up here or somebody else in here. Look, there's a bolt. There's some more tools down there. But there you guys have it. We had another amazing video. We're finally done with that boat. Now I'll take it over to my buddy's place and we'll go ahead and get rid of it. But if you guys like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I can promise you, we have a lot, and I mean a lot more content coming at you guys. So take care, and I will see you in the next upload. Bruce for the win. Sea-Doo for the win, I mean, for that matter. Take care, guys.